All right, good morning, mathematicians. Good to see you, folks, or virtually see you, or see you as if this is weird because obviously we're not doing it live. But anyways, good to see you. All right, let's get started. So, draw me a picture about how you feel with mathematics. Hopefully, it's something nice and pleasant. I understand it probably won't, but if you want to give me one of these, hey. Does that work? Is that super happy? All right, next. I thought I would take you through, you could list some high school sports for me just to get your brain activated. I do see these once you've completed them. And let's go ahead, and get right to work on here. So this is going to be a question that's going to be on your quiz tomorrow, almost the exact same as this. Okay, so if you can handle something like this, you'll be good for the quiz tomorrow. Okay, we've got sports, high school, football, tennis, badminton. And then a bunch of information here. Use a Venn to represent the above information. Okay, so there's the universal set, always and forever. So a square. And I'll throw a U in there. And then it is football, tennis, badminton. So I know there's going to be 3 sets, and I know there's probably going to be some overlap or some intersection in between each. So I usually draw them, and I start my circles kind of at the middle here so that I've got plenty of overlap space. Okay? Baseball, I can't remember what it is. Tennis and football. What's the B? Badminton. Badminton, tennis, football. Okay? Define my sets. So we're going to say let B represent badminton. T represent tennis, and F represent football. Okay, often it's best to start, what did I do here? It's best to start at the bottom of questions like this, okay? So start at the bottom and work your way upwards. Because 36 people playing football doesn't mean I just get to put 36 in here. Okay? Because I need to remember that there's going to be people here, here, and here that played football. And that the total of that area has to be 36. Okay? So not just this area of 36. Which is why starting up here is often difficult. So start at the bottom. 11 participated in all 3. That was easy, because that's all 3. 15 played tennis and badminton. Tennis and badminton. Okay, let's find that. You would think I'm just going to throw the 15 here, right? But that would be wrong, because these 11 people also played badminton and tennis, okay? So we can't just throw in that 15 there. So this and this have to add to 15. So we put in 4. 16 played football and badminton. 16, football, badminton. So there's 11 there. 11 minus 16 is, come on, dodge it. 5. And 15 played tennis and badminton. Tennis, I did that one. Whoops. 16 played football, badminton. 14 played football and tennis. 14, football, tennis. I got 11 already, so that would be 3. 11 plus 3 equals the 14 I'm looking for. All right? Now when I go do these big ones, all the numbers are in place. So 51 played badminton. 51 played badminton over here. So, if that's the case, I'm just going to do some math here, some arithmetic. So 51 played badminton, and I've already got badminton. 11, 4, and 5. So this is 15, 20. So this would be 31. Okay? 42 played tennis. 42 played tennis. 42 played tennis. So that'd be minus 4, 11, 3. 42 played tennis. What would that be? Oh, man. So this is 11, 15, 18. So that's 18. 2 gets me to 20. 22. 24? And finally, the last one is football. 36 played football. 36 played football. Whoops. So that's minus 11, 5, and 3. So that would be 36, that's 16 plus 3. 16 plus 3 is 19. 1 gets me to 20. 10, 11 plus, is that 17? I'm just going to show my work a little bit better here so you see where I get these values from. Alright, and that's it. So my Venn diagram is complete. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. There's 2 marks right there. And what's the last one? How many members only played badminton? Boom, ba boom, boom. Badminton, badminton. There it is, 31. So the answer for part B would be 31. And that's it. Ta-da! We just solved it. Just solved it. And I did figure out my solution last time. I'll share this with you as well. So 11 kids, remember, okay, this is the dog, ba, 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 and I got to a point where I was like, I don't know what to put in the middle, okay? So let's see, 11, okay, what I did is I said use the following clues, 20, so there's 28 kids total. If I add up these 13s, I get 39. So I know that there's 11 kids that have been accounted for twice, right? Because if I add them up, I get 39. That means 39 people put their hand up. Hey, who's got a dog? People put their hand up. Hey, who's got a cat? Somebody might put their hand up twice, which is why this number is higher than the amount of people there. So then there's 11 people that have doubled, that have put their hand up twice or been counted twice. Some of them could have even been counted 3 times because they could have said, yeah, I've got a cat. Yeah, I got a bird. Yeah, I got a dog. So one person could have put their hand up 3 times in a tally. Anyways, so out of the 11, I know that 4, 3, and 2 have already been accounted for. Sorry, it's hard to see, but it's over there on the Jamboard. I guess I can move this over, actually. So this 4, 3, 2 have already been accounted for. So I know there's 2 people that have been counted twice. So then I went and said, oh, it's got to be the 2. I threw the 2 in there, and when I added up the numbers, I ended only up getting 26. So I'm like, what the? I'm like, oh yeah, because that one person would have been counted, 3 times each. So it's not just that. So trial and error, I tried a 1. And sure enough, when I put the 1 in there, I got the numbers to add up to 28. Okay? So these numbers right, what did I do? Sorry, I swiped with my hand and it moved forward. So once this number 1 is here, then this 5, 4, 1, 3. If I add that up, that's 9, 10, 13. And remember, 13 is what I want for each one. If I add up everything, I get to 28. Sweet. And there's the solution. Okay? All right. Good luck, mathematicians. If you have any questions, send me an email. We have a quiz tomorrow. Good luck. You got this. So long.